got some parts today. Let's go. Well, it's been a few days or weeks. I've kind of lost track, but I've been waiting on parts and supplies to come in. And we finally got something, and I'm super pumped. I actually picked up a couple of things that I got rid of in the past because I haven't built motors or anything of that nature in a long time. This right here is a flywheel lock, so I could actually take off the crank. This is an oil pump puller, some feeler gauges, and this engine bracket right here, which is made specifically for Volkswagens because of the distance between here and here is so great. And this style of engine stand did not work. And I just picked this up on Facebook Market, and I hate to just get rid of it, so I'm gonna use it. So I'm already seeing an issue right here because this mounts on a table and not on this kind of stand, which throws the center of gravity off a little bit. But in this situation, it actually works in our favor, because if I were to bolt it like this, it is completely parallel with this rig right here. So the center of mass is going to be right over this bar. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get it set up and throw a couple of lines in here, drill a couple of holes, bolt it up, then clean up all of the paint, and get it ready for Brendan to burn in a couple of welds for me. Yeah, so let's go. I gotta cool my blade off so it doesn't get hot.
Oh.
Alright. Perfect fit. Yep. This is a 3/8 bolt right here, a grade 8 bolt.
Whoa, that's huge.
Yeah, so it should be able to work just fine to hold this bracket in place.
So you do this?
Hmm?
You do this?
That's right, that's right. You just kind of eyeball it and try to get it to go straight.
Oh, that pretty looks easy.
It's okay. What are you? 7/16?
That's small.
It is small, yes. And we're just gonna do a little pilot hole on this side, because I can see where my bit's already coming through. So we'll just do a tiny little pilot hole. Just like that. Straight through. Daylight. You just go slow. Take your time. Yeah? Yeah, we just take our time, right? Yeah. There she is. Yep. That's how you get a nice straight hole. Ta-da! Yeah! You cool with that? Cool with that? So I cleaned up all of the steel right there, but this is roughly where the welds are going to be in this area. It's basically just going to box in this entire thing. But yeah, check this out. Lines up perfectly with the center of the stand. Let's get this thing over to Brendan and get it welded up. Okay, so we currently have my engine stand at BDR, and it's going to get welded up.
first 2 welds I would have trusted. This thing is over-welded for sure. Over-welded.
Everyone's the biggest critique. Sick.
And yes, I know I wasn't wearing gloves or sleeves. I wasn't welding that one. I understand. I should have.
I think you're fine for what it was, what we're doing.
Exactly.
I actually put this thing up on Facebook Market because I thought I was going to be able to use it. And then I bought this thing. I was like, okay, well, if I get this assembly, it should slide in because I thought it was the same diameter because they didn't give me a diameter on the description. And I was like, well, shit, now I just bought a $60 piece of steel that I can't use. So now what do? I'm going to bring it over to Brendan, see if he can weld it in. And now it's in, and now I can actually build this engine.
You can build whatever engine you want now.
No, yeah, now Volkswagen. Yeah, it's like a Swiss Army knife now. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Boom.
No problem.
Once again, Brendan came to my rescue. Seriously, if you're in the New Holland area, check him out. What's your address?
Ep9 West Main Street, New Holland.
Got it. We'll see ya.